Hello guys! Welcome to Thirst Natin TV! Hello guys! Pupunta kami ng Toycon, manghahanta ng toys.
Anong toys? Basta kung ano makita. Okay. Let's wait for it. Na po tayo sa loob. Saan natin maglibot? Doon. Oh, thank you. Sige. Dami siya nakikita. Sige lang.
Kumakain na ako para ng chicken joy. Ito yung lasa ng basic. Ito,
Hello, man.
Diyan ka lang titingin.
Nandito na naman. Ayun na, giant tortoise.
Ay, nado yung
Yung ano dyan? T-Rex? Oh, meron kasi ako painting. $13,000. Trading card games. Card games sila. Diba? Disney, Laura Cana.
Okay, Ron, can you see my outfit? Talagang how much more your
Gundam. Pagod ka na din? Pagod na siya.
Open bawas sa natin.
Uy!
Open po.
You hold it, you broke it. Ano yan? Glass talaga.
Ay, hindi po. Ano po siya? Polycarbonate po. So talagang matibay siya.
Ito po, makano po ito. Pwede po hawakan mo.
Ah, yes po. Welcome po. Included yung blade we just took it off. So it's nicer on display. But if you want to try one with the blade, you can get one of those. Which po? This one? What do you want? Oh!
Sa legacy. Haba.
Okay. Conference. Okay. One click lang here.
So removable yung ano niya. Yung
Removable po. Yes.
Sara.
One click. Bottom.
May sinapahawak ay pinapakalat.
Did you see the top or the bottom? There we go. Yes, po.
If you want that one, you can only have the small one.
Renaissance. How much is that? That's 8.4. 8.4. Yeah, it says 8.4. Yes, po. Last piece. I got it. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
May na yung gym. May nakabit siya.
Dapat yung ba release niya?
Wala lang kapit.
Walang release yung release sa Android o meron? Wala.
You can interchange the cord. Put it there. Oh no, this is a more premium cord, bro. I think it's worth it.
Light saver.
Mahal yun eh. Hindi ko nga makapit.
Charging pa naman siya.
There we go. All right, welcome here up. There we go. Up next we got Meow Meow. There you go, joining us as well. And let's give the ground applause to KT.
True. Tara. Chicken. Copy. Kasi ano yan eh, yung sa cart. Pwede pumanik yan? Hindi yata eh. No, ito. Pwede pumanik yan, sir? Pwede pumanik?
Ganyan lang sir, pero sa loob muna ina-assemble pa nila eh.
Oo, dyan daw.
Sige.
Pasok tayo doon sa Toy Con Gallery. Let's go! Papay na sila dyan. muna. Dito.
Once every lang lumalabas ng bahay eh.
Kasi iba naman.
K-Zone magazine.
Kay mami nag-grade natin. Mamaya unbox natin yan. Become a universal hero. On mo na! I-on mo na! One, two.
Thank you guys. For watching.
Na? Three thank yous. 2026 Toy-Con. Bye-bye!
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.